This silly stretching is for you. It's for you so that you feel better throughout the day. And, I mean, you're already working, you're getting paid for it, you might as well stretch, right? So this is what we're going to do. We're going to do a little standing first, all right? So let's see. I like the way that you're standing up. I like the way that you're standing up. I like the way that you're standing up. So first we're going to start. There you go. No, buddy, get comfortable. There you go. He's taking his shoes. Everybody listen, take your shoes off. Take your socks off. Take your feet off. If your feet stink, if your feet smell like Fritos, put your shoes back on. Just let you know. Okay, cool. All right, so ready? So first you're just going to roll your head around nice and easy, just like this. If your head falls off, I'll give you some glue. And go the other way. Anybody's head fall off?
Not yet.
Not yet? Okay, here's some glue for you, here's some glue for you, here's some glue. Everybody take some glue. There you go. Put the glue on your neck. Put it on this side. Everybody, let's check our neck. Everybody go like this and go tick, tock, slow. Tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock. It don't stop. To the ooh. Anybody remember coloring that? Yeah. Everybody, there you go. Oh no, we're not going to do it. Okay. Not yet. Okay, so now, anybody ever have a tight neck? Okay, so we're going to stretch out your neck so that you actually get some neck pain relief, okay? Not neck pain, but neck pain relief, okay? So all you're going to do is first you're going to look up in the air just like this, and you're going to pretend like we're little baby birds, and we're going to eat the air like this. Watch. Oh, it gets so much worse, you have no idea. Go like this, and what happens is everyone try to eat the air like this. Now, for the people that are going on about doing this, you're the one that looks silly because everybody else is doing it. Now, what happens is when you do this, you're actually working your sternocleidomastoid muscles, the SCM, and it actually works on tightening them. So have you ever walked by the mirror and looked and be like, I look like a turkey? Because you got the little gobble thing going on right there. So unless you want to go spend money on surgery, what you can do is you can practice doing this, and this tightens the muscle so it actually pulls the skin back. Oh, now all of a sudden I see that. Like that. Okay, cool. See, here's the deal. If I make it about me, then you don't care as much. If I make it about you, then you change your perspective and then take it on, okay? And then some of you will actually believe that I did something, and we're going to have a conversation a little bit about how you're doing everything in your mind and you're handing over your power to other people. But we'll talk about that a little bit later, okay? So next thing we're going to do is we're going to tuck our chin in just like this. Take your hands, put it behind the back of your head. Some of you may be familiar with this position, I'm sorry. So you're going to go like this. I meant sit-ups. What do you think you're talking about? So now what you're going to do is you're going to tuck, thank you for getting that. You're going to tuck your chin in, and the more you tuck your chin in, now breathe and breathe out. Now, when you did that, if you feel it maybe in your neck, okay, that's fine, you should. If you feel it towards the middle of your upper back, all right, got it. If you feel it going all the way down your lower back, what do you think your body might be telling you? You gotta stretch this out, okay? Listening to your body. I go with the system of listening to your body to do what it needs, as opposed to the other side, where like one side of the planet, if your body's in pain, you stretch and you strengthen the muscle, and this side of the planet is, if your body's in pain, anti-inflammatories, muscle relaxers, all that stuff, because doctors need a new Mercedes every single year. So either help the doctors make their money, or do some preventative stuff. Make sense?